My name is Mike and I'm at the Sharma clinic here in Edmonton, Alberta. Today I'm going to be getting a scar fixed on the back of my head from a previous transplant that was a strip. Left a pretty bad scar that I'm going to get filled in, and hopefully my hairdresser will be a little bit more happy with me. Personally, ever since I was young, I've seen people going bald, and I really liked and enjoy having hair. As I was growing older, if you were one of the males in the world that unfortunately hair loss is part of your genetics, you're able to change that. And at the same time, I can afford it, and I decided, you know what, let's do it. If you are considering a hair transplant and you're on the fence about it, I would suggest going for it. You only live once. It's very minimal pain and time, and it's something that you'll have for the rest of your life. Get it done.